Oh, I don't know. Come in.
Dense vegetation here helps hide the newborns from predators. Once there, she keeps them in her mouth for a while,
Hi, little buddy.
giving them time to get used to their new
Hey.
environment.
What's going on?
This is the first time the babies have been in water.
Your eyes look dark on the camera. I'm looking at you and they don't look dark. They're kind of blue there. You're big. You're long. Falling off the chair. Look at that. You were making cute faces a minute ago. You're not very interesting at the moment.
Become accustomed to the water. Even her mouth serves as a kind of
He sees
bait
his
screen.
hand. Huh.
To most animals, this row of jagged teeth means terror and death. But for the baby crocs, it's protective armor. The
Do a
mother
minute and a
knows the
half.
young must face the outside world.
Hey, sweetness.
She dips her head gently into the water,
Hey,
encouraging the young
sweetness.